These faceless Instagram reels are getting millions, and millions of views just by AI avatar videos. Crazy.
Today I am going to show you how to create the same avatar for your videos and custom avatars as well to get millions of views by motivational videos.
So thanks to Vidnoz AI, we will be creating talking photos and AI avatars for free in just one click. However, Vidnoz has a lot of different tools such as text-to-speech, face swap background remover, and more. So if you want me to review them, smash that like button to let me know. We are going to start creating talking images. So first, you want to create AI realistic images. For that, we will use Leonardo AI, a free text-to-image software. You can also use other softwares like Genmo or Midjourney. In Leonardo AI, we will select realistic model to create high-quality images. Now we will select the number of images we want, in my case 4. Finally, make sure to change the ratio to 9:16. In my case, I will use this prompt to get these kind of images, however you can use the one you want. I will also leave all the prompts in the description. As you can see, we got 4 different images, and I will download this one. Secondly, we will use this prompt to create another image to animate in Vidnoz. We also got 4 images, but if you don't like the result, you can regenerate to obtain 4 more images. And I will download this one. Now we need a script, because a talking image without script would be quite weird, mehe. We will use ChatGPT to obtain motivational quotes to use in our videos. In this way, we will save a lot of time. But remember to use original scripts to attract audience. Now we head to Vidnoz, the most important part. You have to create an account to start creating for free. Then we will see this panel, where you can choose the tool you need. We will select 9:16 ratio to start creating our talking avatar. Here we will upload our image. It will last some seconds to identify the face. Now, you can choose the voiceover you like. It has a lot.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
Then you will be able to remove the background or not. In my case, as we got a nice background, I will leave it. And the same with the other image.
AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with...
After generating the video, we will see the talking avatar. Now let's make some little adjustments before the final result. First, we will select the full photo and move the image to the middle. Now, we will copy-paste one text from ChatGPT on the script. We will do exactly the same with the other image. After completing all the steps, make sure to generate the video to see the final result.
Life is a canvas, and you are the artist of your destiny. Don't be afraid to paint with bold strokes to create a masterpiece of your own design.
Whoa, impressive. It is a very high-quality generator. Let's see the other image.
Your journey to success is a personal odyssey, and with each challenge, you grow stronger. Let your ambition light the way, and let determination be your guiding star.
But you may be wondering, how can I add subtitles to the video? Well, I will show you how at the end of the video. But now I will create an AI avatar for the intro of this video. Alright, first of all, you want to choose a nice voiceover for this video. As you can see, it has a lot, so it will be very easy.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos.
Secondly, you input all the script here, and it will automatically animate the mouth of the avatar after generating the video. Awesome. Moreover, you have some more important setting. You can add a nice background. For example, this dark background can be very useful for tutorials. We will also add some text and stickers. This subscribe sticker is such a good call to action. By the way, subscribe, hey. After making all the modifications, you will generate the video and download it. Remember that the link to Vidnoz is on the description. For the subtitles, we can use Submagic, which automatically adds animated captions to our video. You upload the video here and select the kind of subtitles you like the most. I will also leave the link on the description.
Life is a canvas, and you are the artist of your destiny. Don't be afraid to paint with bold strokes to create a masterpiece of your own design. Your potential is limitless, and your passion is your paintbrush.
However, this is obviously a paid software because it is top quality, but you can use CapCut too. So thanks to Vidnoz AI, you can start creating your AI avatar videos for millions of views. Don't forget to check it out and try for free. Links on the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon.